fourth graders, we're back and we're going to talk about classifying quadrilaterals. So first, we need to talk a little bit about quadrilaterals so we know what we're talking about here. Okay, so quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are polygons. Okay, another word we might need to review. Okay, a polygon is a multi-sided shape. Okay, and we remember a polygon is a closed shape. All of the sides are connected, and it's a flat shape, and it has corners, it has angles, okay? A quadrilateral is a polygon, but it's a polygon that only has 4 sides, okay? So there are more than one shape with 4 sides. So let's take a look at a few of these, okay? The first one I want to look at is a parallelogram. Okay? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral, and it has 2 sets of parallel sides. So if you remember, parallel are lines that go on equal distance apart and will never touch. They will stay the same distance apart. So it has 2 sets of sides like that. So here's one, and here's the other. Okay, so these 2 will go on, stay the same distance, and never touch, and the same with these 2. So that's why this is called a parallelogram. Okay, we've also got a rectangle, and that is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. Okay, I bet you were thinking that has 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides, which is true about a rectangle, but when we classify it, it has 4 right angles. Each of these corners is a right angle. Okay, that's why a square is a type of rectangle, because it has 4 right angles. This question always trips me up. When they ask, is it true or false that a square is a rectangle? It's true, because it has 4 right angles. But is a rectangle a square? No, it isn't, because the other thing about a square is that it has 4 equal sides. Okay, guys? All right, so the things to remember about polygons is that, about quadrilaterals is they have 4 sides. A parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. A rectangle has 4 right angles. A square is a rectangle, so it has 4 right angles, but it has equal sides, 4 equal sides. Okay, there are some other quadrilaterals that are 4-sided that you don't see as often, okay? And one of them would be something like this, okay? And that's a trapezium. There's no parallel sides, but it has 4 sides, okay? This one is a trapezoid. It has 1 pair of parallel sides. My picture's not super good here. But you can see these 2 sides are parallel. They could go on and never touch. Okay? A rhombus is similar to a parallelogram and a square. Okay, it's similar to a square because it has 4 equal sides, but it's similar to a parallelogram because those 4 equal sides are also parallel. So it's like a slanted square. Okay, so this is a rhombus. All right, so we had trapezium, which we don't use as often, trapezoid, and rhombus. Okay? All right, 4th graders, I know you got this. We will see you tomorrow.